Welcome, guys, to the TechHub.training QuickBooks Intro Challenge Solution. I hope this is informative and helps you guys understand the problem. This is meant to be a complete intro for beginners, those who have never touched QuickBooks before. There's a 2-minute video at first that you can just watch, give you a brief overview, and then try this problem, and then watch this video I'm doing right now in order to see like the step-by-step. This will be a first video of there's a couple more that are a little bit more advanced that my kind of fellow students or fellow colleagues in class put together that dive a little more in depth. They're a little bit more complicated. And so I suggest checking those out after. So first things first, let's go to our dummy account that QuickBooks allows. Make sure you copy and paste this. I don't know what the deal is. It just gets all fidgety. It takes you some random website, probably gonna get hacked. Wouldn't do that if I were you. We're going to sign in. If you're a robot watching this, I don't know what to tell you. It's not for you. QuickBooks is not for you. Anyways, perfect. So now we're now on our dummy account. It breaks you down, kind of shows you how to get there, right? Halfway through, go down, United States, perfect. First things first, we're going to export a balance sheet income statement. We're going to export some reports. In QuickBooks, it says profit and loss. I'm going to edit that right now so that you see that. And we're going to use these date range, June 1st, 2023 through November 30th, 2023. This is vital because it updates its transactions here and there, adds things in. And so you want to make sure that you got a pretty solid, that it's not going to change on you because the answers might change. So we're going to go June 1st through, I think we said November 30th, right? And we're going to run this report. Perfect. That'll give us a little bit of a balance sheet there. We're going to export it. I usually do PDF and then scroll down, save this PDF. Boom, we got that downloaded. That's my 6th one. As you can see, I've ran through this multiple times. Also going to do a profit and loss, same exact kind of description, but I'm going to go back to report list, profit and loss here. We're going to do a custom range, like I said. I'm going to do June 1st. I'm kind of showing you different ways to do it through November 30th. Run that report. That's wonderful. I'm going to export that to PDF. Scroll down, save as PDF. Awesome. So that's going to give us, we've done this one. Perfect. So now we're going to start creating some invoices. So invoicing is obviously what you do when you complete or fulfill some revenue for a client and they owe you money. And so you're going to create an invoice. So this one says we're going to create an invoice for $112.35 for the customer Cool Cars for design income service on this date with these terms. And the invoice should auto-populate. So let's do just that. So if we're here, we're going to click New Invoice. I don't mean to hit my mouse so aggressively. I apologize for that. Cool Cars is our client. We said net 30 were the days, right? We're going to click on the date of November 1st, I think is what we said. Oh, shoot. I'm losing it. All right. Yeah, we said November 1st, 2023, net 30, 112.35. And we said design income. That's right here. 112.35. We're not going to roll with any taxes. I never did tax. I never threw in some tax. We'll click save and close is usually how I do it. You can also click save and new. I don't know why that keeps popping up. And then the next one, sweet. So we're done with that one. Let's bold that out. Yeah, we got all that. Perfect. And that invoice number auto-populated. Usually you're going to want to pick your invoice numbers, more or less. So we're going to create an invoice, another one for Diego Rodriguez. My man Diego. Pandora. Diego Rodriguez, we're going net 30, but I think we changed the day on this one. This one's going to be November 2nd. Don't go putting it on the 1st. Don't go putting it on the 1st. Usually it's, if it's in the same month or quarter, it really doesn't matter. And then we said net 30. Perfect. We got net 30. Oh, I did that again. Got net 30 on there. And then we're going to do installation income is what we're dealing with here. Diego had us do some installation work, and we said, how much was it? 87.65. Perfect. And then we're going to click save and close. Wonderful. Awesome. So that one's done. Now we're going to receive payment for the 1038. Okay. So there's two different ways to receive payment. This one we're going to do through here. We're going to go new, receive payment. And then we're going to put in the date, the 3rd. Oh, sorry. We got to, let's see, it's for invoice 1038. Okay. So we need invoice 1038, which was the cool cars invoice. So we're going to throw in our customer cool cars. Boom. We said we're going to use a check for this. So we got sent a check. Money. You select that. We said our reference number is going to be check 1. You can choose that. We're depositing it to undeposit funds. And then in order to apply it to this invoice, we're going to click right here. Boom. And so if you were to just, let's say we don't click this. Let's say we have nothing selected. We put in 112.35. Click out of it. It's going to credit it until you click, okay, I want to apply it to this invoice right here. That's what he's paying off, right? And so we'll click save and close. Sorry, just right here. Yep, save and close. Wonderful. So then that one's solid. Then we're going to receive payment for invoice 1039. Oh, let's flip these around. Okay, that's all right. We're gonna do this one through the different method. We were supposed to do that method with number 4, but we're gonna do this one for this one. So if we go to over here and go to audit log, we can see all our past invoices or all our past transactions. So right here, we remember it's 1039. So if we go to this invoice and click receive payment here, we receive it for 87.35. We said the payment method was going to be a check. Check 2 was the reference we said. Perfect. It's already applied, and we're going to click save and close. Boom. So that one's done. Now that we've received our payments, we've deposited undeposited funds. Oh, it looks like we forgot to change the date on that one. So we'll go back, we'll edit it. And we'll go 11/4. Did we change the date on the last one too? Let's make sure we got the right ones here. So for the cool cars one, we said we wanted to do it on 3rd. So this one needs to be the 3rd. Save and close. And then we had our check 2. Should be on the 4th. Diego Rodriguez. Perfect. Got that all sorted out. So you can see some of the QuickBooks, you just run into stupid issues that you made. All right, we're going to create a bank deposit. Okay, to do that, we're going to go to new, other bank deposit. For here it says on 11/05 for $200. Oh gosh, the floating meeting panels or controls. All right, here we go. So $200. We're not actually going to tie in any. We're going to type in any amount. We're going to do it on the 5th. I'm going to click on right here our cool cars invoice that we did earlier, 112, and our Diego Rodriguez invoice. That totals us out to $200. So we know that's right. Click save and close. It's done. Okay, now we're going to look on the bank feed, right? So now we're going to go to the bank transactions. So we're going to try and find our deposit that matches that amount and around that date. So right here, we have a transaction coming on the 13th, a little later, but that's a fine. We're going to match it, right? This is match found. It's a deposit. Boom, match it. Perfect. That easy, guys. Now we're going to export a balance sheet. If we go to report, we're going to export a balance sheet and an income statement. Once again, same dates. And we'll go, we say June 1st, November 30th. All right, save the PDF. And then we're gonna do the same thing with the income statement. Profit and loss, a little profit and loss over here. Custom. Boop, 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 boop. 6/1, 11/30. Hit that with a little export PDF. Save as PDF. All right, so we matched it. Now we're gonna answer some of these questions. All right. Let's dive into this. This should actually say, wonder how many times I'm added this. 500 fetching times. You guys go. I'm sure that's right for y'all. Perfect. I'm also get rid of this right here. All right, sorry for that little delay. All right, what's our new design income? We don't even need the prior ones. We go to our downloads. Yeah, honestly, I didn't even need to download it. Read it right from in there. What we're saying is you got a boss that's breathing down your neck, and they want to know. Sorry about that. They want to know. That's the design income with the money we made. Boom, right there. So new installation income. Look at this. Look at this balance sheet or this income statement. I apologize. Installation income. Here we go. Right? Can this thing move, please? I'm getting harassed. 337.65. Boom. A new net income after these adjustments. Right here, boom, net income, easy. Take a glance at the balance sheet. Look for our current assets. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Whole current assets right here. Boom. All right, let's compare those to our prior ones. These meeting controls, these floating meeting controls are gonna be the death of me. Let's get out of here. Let's go back to our downloads. Oh no, man. Did I download that 500 fetching times? All right, I apologize. A bit frustrated, that's all. Look at the changes here. Design income. Look at that, changed by 112.35. Who would have thought? Installation income right here, changed by 250. Wait, no, hold up. Oh, there's 250 right there. What was the new amount? 337. Yeah, it changed about by the amount we wanted. And then we said, what's the new net income? All right, what was it before? Should have changed it by 200. 1676. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. I glanced at 1100. I glanced at 11,041. Got a little nervous, I'll be honest. But I had this all wrong. Perfect. Now we're gonna look at our total current assets. These should change, I think, by 200 as well. Yep. There we go. All right, guys. Well, that is it. I apologize. Oh yeah, I guess check bulb these out, man. That's done. If you want, you can do this little extra problem. So I'll show you. So this income statement, how's it going, guys? This income statement right here doesn't have any numbers, right? There's no numbers. So usually you want to put numbers on your income statement to have some sub accounts, so it's just a little bit more easier to organize. And so a little bonus problem. I'm not going to give you guys the answer. If you really want it, you can go find the answer online, or you can just try to fumble around the settings a little bit. Try to add some number labels on the income statement. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you taking the time. I hope this video was beneficial and that you got introduced to QuickBooks a little bit. It's a relatively powerful tool. It's an awesome thing to have in your toolbox personally. And I hope you guys have a good one. God bless.